Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing all you iPhone users how to customize the icons on your home screen with the new iOS 14 iPhone update. I'm pretty sure that this has been something that you could do for a while now. I'm always late to the game. I just learned how to do this and I shared something about it on my story, and a lot of my friends requested I make a tutorial on how to do it. So this is going to be a very quick tutorial on how to do this in just a few simple steps and for free. You're gonna need 3 things in order to achieve this. First thing you want to do is search for the icons that you want for your home screen. So I just went to Pinterest and I typed in iOS 14 icons gray. And as you can see here, there's one. Clicked on this one, I saved it, and then it gave me, you know how Pinterest works. If you want to support your artist, you can pay like $3 to $4 on Etsy to get like an icons bundle. After you find all the ones that you want, there are 2 apps that you're going to need to use in order to achieve this aesthetically pleasing iPhone background. The first app is called Shortcuts. It looks like this. The other app that you're gonna need is called Widgetsmith. This is how we're gonna get our widgets onto our home screen. So like this little Friday one, or how I get this little photo here in the corner, those are gonna be through Widgetsmith. So yeah, you need the Shortcuts app, Widgetsmith, and you wanna have all of your icons downloaded before you get started. Let's get into the tutorial. First, I'm going to show you how to customize the icon on your home screen. You can't change the photo on an actual app, so what you have to do is create shortcuts in order to change the icon image. So we're going to go into our Shortcuts app. So you're going to click the top little plus button, and then it says new shortcut. You're going to click Add Action. In the top search bar, you're going to type in Open App, and then it's the first option under Actions. You're going to select Open App. And then after open, it says choose. You're gonna click on that and then choose the app that you wanna make a shortcut for. Right now, I'm gonna show you how to do one for Instagram. It's the same for any app. So select Instagram, and now it says new shortcut, open Instagram, and then you're going to click next, and then you're gonna name it. Whatever you name this is what it's going to say on your home screen. I'm gonna name it Instagram 1 because I already have one that's called Instagram. On our shortcuts main menu, there is one shortcut called Instagram 1. You're gonna click the 3 little dots in the corner, and then the 3 little dots again, and you're gonna click Add to Home Screen. This is where you can change the icon. If I click this little button right here, it'll give me an option to choose a photo for my icon. I'm going to select Choose Photo, and then it'll take you to your camera roll, and this is where you can pick the photo that you want for your icon. So for Instagram, I have saved this icon. And then you're gonna click Add, and then it says Added to Home Screen. You're gonna click Done, Done, and then as you can see here, it's added right to the home screen. Super cool, very simple, very easy. That is how you create a shortcut. So as you see, I did that for all of my icons on my home screen. So now I'm going to show you how to add a widget to your home screen. So we're going to go into the Widgetsmith app. You can do a small widget, which is the little squares that I have, or you can do a medium-sized widget, which is the Friday one that I have is a medium widget. I'm going to show you how to do the Friday one first. Click Add Medium Widget. And this is what the default widget will look like. If you want to change it, you click on it and then you get all of these options. The one that I used was called Big Day down here. And then I click on this button down here that says Aesthetic Theme. And the theme that I used, as you can see, there's like premium ones. I just used a free one called Powder. And then I clicked Customize Theme, Background Color, and I clicked the 70% grayscale, and then you click Save, and then Apply to this widget only. To go back to the home screen, you click the medium widget number 4 in the corner here. You click Save, and then boom, it's in your widget list. So now, whenever you go to add it to your home screen, you're gonna hold down on your home screen until your icons start dancing. And then you're gonna click the little plus sign up in the corner. You're just gonna type in Widgetsmith, and it pops up right here. And then you can choose whatever size widget you wanted to add from your Widgetsmith. We just made a medium one, so we're gonna go to the medium option, Add Widget. If you made multiple ones, you have to select the one that you want. So while it's still in edit mode, you wanna click on the widget, and as you can see, it says medium widget number 4, but say I wanted to pick a different one, they're all titled right here, and you can choose from your list. So widget number 4, that's selected, and there you go. So then to add a photo widget, you just go back to the Widgetsmith app, and you're gonna click Add Small Widget, click on the widget, click on the widget again to customize it, and then you're gonna wanna scroll down until you see Custom and then Photo. At the bottom, you will click Selected Photo, choose photo from your library. I have a lot of photos of Harry Styles because I love him. That's the photo I want, and we're gonna click save. And then we're gonna go back to our home screen, put your phone into edit mode, go to that plus sign. You're gonna type in Widgetsmith, and then you're gonna select the small widget option, click on it to edit, and then you're gonna select small number 3, that's the one we just created. And then there it is, the little photo of Harry Styles. That's all you need to know to achieve this aesthetically pleasing iPhone home screen. So for mine, I just have a small widget here, and then these 4 icons I created through the Shortcuts app, and then this is another Widgetsmith. These are the other 4 icons, and then this one down here is actually an app that came with a built-in widget. It's the motivation app.
Yesterday, you said tomorrow, so just do it!
I really like it because it sends me motivational quotes. The second page of my home screen, I have Spotify little widget, which Spotify comes with a built-in widget option, so whenever you go to add a widget, you can just select it. And then I have a Pinterest one as well. Widgetsmith has the moon phases. I like to know the current status of the moon. Down at the bottom, I have one that has the day of the week, the day of the month, and the time. So the only downside to having a shortcut rather than having the actual app on your home screen is that when you click on it, it does take you to the Shortcuts app and then to your app. For example, when I click on Instagram, it will take me to the Shortcuts app and then on to Instagram. A plus side to this, at least in my opinion, is that you don't have all of the like notification bubbles on your shortcuts. Those like drive me crazy. Sometimes I forget to open my emails or read my messages, and those little red circles just drive me nuts. So it does look a lot cleaner. You're not gonna have those little bubbles there, but you will have to be more on top of your stuff because you're not gonna really know unless you go to like app library. You're not gonna really know if you have like a message. So just keep that in mind. That is how you make an aesthetically pleasing home screen. You just need 2 apps and your icons, and that's it. I will say it can be time consuming. You want to set aside about an hour or 2 to do this. Do I think spending an hour to 2 hours on this is necessary? Personally, for me, it was necessary because I'm on my phone a lot. It's less mental chaos for me, so it was definitely worth the time. Thank you all for watching. This is really the first like tutorial video I've ever done on something techy. Feel free to give me some pointers on my next video if I was talking too fast or too slow, or if you wanted more in-depth details on how to do it. Let me know in the comments below any feedback that you might have. Send this to your friends and blow their mind. All right, I'm gonna stop talking because now there's a leaf blower outside. I'll see you next time.